Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Tamim Ahmed from grade 7B. Today we will learn about the specific latent heat of fusion. Bismillah, we'll start. Specific latent heat of a substance is the amount of energy absorbed or released by the substance during a change in its physical state that occurs without changing its temperature. And we are seeing here an example of what we read. This is a solid, that is a ice, and this is a liquid. After melting, like we see here, latent heat of fusion temperature remains constant as solid turns to liquid. And from liquid to gas, the latent heat of vaporization temperature remains constant as a liquid turns to gas. SL unit of a latent heat is the joule. The latent heat associated with melting a solid or freezing a liquid is called the latent heat of fusion. That is associated with vaporizing a liquid or a solid or a condensing a vapor is called the latent heat of vaporization. And we are seeing here specific latent heat. This can be calculated by using E equal M multiply L, where is E is the energy transferred in joule, and M is the mass in kilogram, and L is the specific latent heat. Q equal ML, a Q heat change, M equal mass, and L are specific latent heat, and this picture are another example. The table of specific heating capacity at 25 Celsius. We will take example air. Air are the substance and their phases are gas. Specific latent heat and the Cp and joule or kilogram are 1.0035. And thank you for watching my video. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.